Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. And for today's shave, I'm gonna be using Soaps Amaretto. This is to finish the almond cherry kind of theme. This one is definitely the strongest. It smells so freaking good. This is like freaking almond amaretto cake or something like that. It smells so good. I kind of congested because I've been breathing freaking dirt all these days on the work at job. But anyway, matching splash as always. And for the brush, I couldn't pass the opportunity to pull out my beautiful Moon Soaps hybrid. Doesn't match at all. I just want to use it. I just freaking love these freaking hybrids. Are my weakness. Beautiful. 28 millimeter G5C, dry loaded. You can see that I'm congested. Anyway, excuse me. And for the razor, I'm gonna be using my aluminum Project X Noir Berry Overlander. Beautiful color. Freaking Chris doesn't do this colorway. It's just beautiful. Apparently it's very hard. Not even the base plate has it. So, but it's a beautiful color. I love purple, so it's just beautiful and very comfortable to use. Anyway, hope everybody's sleeping well because it's 1 and with some change in the morning. Because I don't know what is sleeping. Let me move the knot. Needs to break. Oh yeah, now. Like I was saying, hope everybody's sleeping well and enjoying their beds. Well, I am not now. I woke up and like, yeah, I'm gonna shave. I skipped yesterday. So I have, almost 2 days of growth? Water. Almost 2 days of growth, and it's gonna be a great shave. This one smells so nice. Very strong compared to the chela and the almond cream. The cherries pops more. It's very nice. Whistling. Oh my god, this is gonna be quite the morning. But I've been doing good. Been working very nice, so I can recoup some money that I keep spending. But hey, I deliver some fuel in a Cemex concrete place. Because the company that I work for mainly, they pick up recycled material and they do a fuel, something that replaces coal. But the place, it's just a pile of dirt. Like pretty much I was walking over 1.5 feet of dirt. Looks like snow pretty much, but it's dirt. And I've been breathing that shit all these days, so I've been coughing and congested. I have a face mask and I keep forgetting to bring it to work, so I left it. I literally left it in here in the vanity because I want to be able to not leave it today. Because it's like, yeah, all that dirt is anger for me. It ain't good. But now back to the lather. Man, this is already looking great. I love Moon soaps. I only have 2 soaps from them. I have tried quite a few, but I think I haven't tried Havana. Havana is another one that might interest me, but I love Moon soaps, especially their brushes. They sell like hot pancakes. Man, but the lather, look at that creamy lather. Already, it's been what? 5 minutes. And it just popping. Very nice. Yeah, this lather is ready. Very nice, very nice, very nice. It's gonna be an easy shave, Overlander. You just pretty much a no-brainer. It's super smooth and mild. Forgot to say I'm using the Tiger blade. Second use? Don't know. So it should be an easy shave. Yep. There's nothing. Oh yeah, very sleek. Very sleek. They have a multiple bases because they depending on the oils that they use, they do a base that favors those oils. Man, look at that. You can't complain about that lather. Now the only thing that I prefer the stainless steel because of the weight. It helps it be more efficient, but it's still efficient enough. Might have to buff a little bit more, but it's no biggie. Using. And I took the bump out. Yeah, so you know that razor, yeah, it will cut. Feels super mild, but yeah, it will cut. It will do a great job. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it smells so good. So good. Even for another anodized razor, it's fairly smooth. Such an easy razor. There's a reason why they call it the Overlander, because it's so easy to shave and it has good efficiency. Very nice, very nice. Time for the last pass. I want to add a little bit more. It's not dry, I just want to take more of the soap from the brush. It smells so good. I love that scent. Now today, I'm gonna buy a soap because today releases the Voodoo Yeti, the Legend of the Blood Moon. And of course I'm obligated to get it. Also, it has purple, so I'm obligated to get it. Support Chris and Eric. Very, very nice. Yeah, got everything there. Should have gotten everything. Should have, or most of it. Oh yeah, that's a pretty good BBS. So to me, it's still efficient enough. That's good. Actually, it's pretty efficient, I would say, still, even in aluminum. Check it always. Just took out the bomb that it doesn't want to go, but yeah, this one finally healed the bleeder from the past days. Oh, and the mustache, but that's normal for me. Small puddle and wait for the burn. Scent. If you love Amaretto, it's a no-brainer. You gotta get it. Very nice. Such a great scent. But that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching as always, and I guess I'll see you on the next shave. Have a great day when you wake up. See ya.